Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If your car is burning oil, smoking excessively, or you notice a drop in performance, bad valve stem seals might be the culprit. In today's video, we will go over the symptoms of bad valve stem seals and why they can lead to serious engine issues. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly explain what valve stem seals are and their role in your engine. These small but crucial seals are located at the top of the valve guides and help control the amount of oil that lubricates the valve stems. If they wear out or fail, too much oil can enter the combustion chamber, leading to some obvious problems. The first symptoms is blue smoke from the exhaust. One of the biggest red flags is blue smoke from your exhaust, especially after startup or during acceleration. This happens because oil is leaking into the combustion chamber and burning along with the air-fuel mixture. The second symptoms is high oil consumption. If you're constantly topping off your oil but don't see any leaks, your engine might be burning oil due to worn valve stem seals. Keeping an eye on your oil level can help catch this early. The third symptoms is engine misfires. Excessive oil in the combustion chamber can lead to fouled spark plugs, which can cause misfires, rough idling, and even a loss of power. If your check engine light is on and you're experiencing these issues, it might be time to inspect your seals. The fourth symptoms is reduced engine performance. Over time, bad valve stem seals can affect engine compression, leading to reduced power and efficiency. If your car feels sluggish and lacks the usual punch, worn seals could be a contributing factor. The fifth symptoms is oil fouling on spark plugs. If you remove a spark plug and notice excessive oil buildup, that's another sign that valve stem seals may be leaking. Oil can coat the plugs, reducing their ability to ignite properly, leading to poor engine performance. The sixth symptoms is burning oil smell. A failing valve stem seal can also produce a strong, unpleasant burning oil smell. This smell is often a mix of oil and exhaust fumes, which can be noticeable inside and outside the vehicle. The seventh symptoms is ticking noise from the engine. Sometimes, worn valve stem seals can cause a ticking noise from the top of the engine. This noise is due to oil starvation in the valve train, leading to increased friction. Bad valve stem seals can cause a lot of headaches, but catching the problem early can save you from expensive repairs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.